Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We're here at KubeCon 23 in Chicago, Illinois. I am joined by a partner, Intel, and Ezequiel, or Easy's here. Yeah. You're from Intel. How's KubeCon treating you so far?
It's been good. It's been a really good event for us. I mean, it's also important to see the community. Mm-hmm. It's a very huge event. We do a lot of Kubernetes in cloud native, so it's a very good event for us. And we try to be every year, even here and also in Europe.
Yep.
Also Japan. I think that there is a version in Japan.
Was there one in Japan? I know there was one in China last year.
China.
It was China. And yeah. I hear, rumor has it, next one's going to be in India, but no date's been set. Yeah. So I think we might see each other there again. So
hopefully.
It's KubeCon. We announced the Rancher 2.8 because we have conference-driven developments. Everyone does it. So are you guys having a big announcement here at KubeCon this year?
Yeah, no, basically we keep doing the same development that we are doing.
Okay.
What we do is we enable the hardware through our plugins, for instance. We are doing a lot of contributions in the DRAs, which is the Dynamic Resource Allocation,
okay,
which is a project that we used to contribute a lot. So basically is how we keep growing in that community, how we keep growing in the contributions that we do, but not a huge and specific announcement. I mean, it's just to try to highlight the great work that we keep doing.
So it would be more of, hey, we're charging forward. These are some of the milestones we might have hit, but we're still pushing forward some of those new things that we're doing.
Yeah, it's basically because most people, they don't know how to use the hardware, or probably it's not an important layer. And we try to show that, hey, there's an importance on the hardware. There's a lot of features that you can use from your hardware.
Mm-hmm.
And the way that you use it is what we try to enable through the plugins and so on. But we try to say it's not just cores, it's not just frequency. You have ways to accelerate your workload, to make confidential computing, and this is thanks for the hardware. Basically.
So I want to unpack that real quick. You mentioned confidential computing. I know we're doing some things together with SUSE and with Intel under confidential. Is there anything you can add to that that's not confidential about this?
Yes, I mean it's something that we are doing in the confidential computing scope. We are trying to get it enabled in most of our chips, of course. And the way as we do is for instance. With Service Mesh, we have our version of Intel Service Mesh, for instance, for those workloads that they would like to use confidential computing using SGX, the way that they do the attestation and so on. This is basically what we propose to the community. So
awesome.
The way to use it.
Now, if anyone in our community wants to find out more about what you guys are doing at Intel, what's the best place for them to start?
Basically, open@intel.com is the site where we try to centralize everything that we do. Or you can go to our GitHub. We have the Open@Intel GitHub, where you can find out the project that we are working on.
And if you go to GitHub, make sure to give them a star. It's currency in the open source world. Give them a star. I'll vouch for it. I gave them a star as well.
Thank you.
Easy. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of KubeCon, and we'll see the rest of you guys in the community.